Hi guys, so I just want my fans to know that I'm okay, right? I'm in a good place. I just want my family and friends to respect my space. I am in Fort Lauderdale right now. Scotiabank has shut down my account. Apparently, maybe they didn't know that I was leaving the country, but I have some video shoots in America to do. So, alright, so I'm at Fort Lauderdale Airport right now. The flight that I was supposed to be on, it gone from Tuesday, right? And I'm not planning on leaving until Saturday, right? What I need Scotiabank to do is contact me and give me a solid reason why I want to shut down my account. Because as I reach Jamaica, I'm going to take out all of my money from out of a bank. All of my money when I have in a bank, I'm going to take it out. Because I don't understand why I want to shut down my account. You know, I don't understand with people, I don't respect people's space. I don't see me I got through a lot. I don't know what I've been through. I finally come out and tell you what I've been through. And my friend them, and my family them, my so-called friend them, and my family them won't give me the time to heal. Right? Them won't give me time to heal. All me I say, yo, just give me a little time, make me heal. To all the people, them are wicked. To all them wicked. That's why I make sure say Mineral Boss and Teresa, don't ever call back my phone. Don't ever call back my phone. Me now gonna make what I've been through, make my heart get bitter. I am not that person. And nothing in a life can make my heart get bitter. Nothing in a life can make my heart get bitter. I'm full of too much love. And you see, if I never full of love, God would choose me. He choose me for that reason there. Because my hand clean and my heart clean. I trick you no get trick. My trick you no. My trick you no. My trick you no right through. My trick you no. Everybody knows that I love Adi. Who could I make me turn for my boss? Who could I make me turn for my boss? I'm angry. I'm angry at him. I'm angry at him because him for deal with some business for me and him not deal with it. It's not about relationship. It's not about sex. It's about my career. I want him to take my career seriously. That's all I'm saying. Right? That's all I want him to do. Take my career seriously. That's all. That's all I want from him. But nobody can get me for hate my boss. Nobody can get me for hate him. I treat them. Marketing strategy for Soul Cry. I want to see Soul Cry are going good. I don't know much. Listen, it's a marketing strategy. Zin, I don't understand what's going on with me and him. And listen, I don't stay out of me and him business. Stay out of me and him business. Because throughout these years, I don't feel shame. The people them were all up in me and him business and I thought this and I thought that. I don't feel shame. So every time I try to turn against one and then I will still come back together. I don't shame. I don't shame. The reason why I call Footer Hype is to make him know what I go on. Simple. Because here, if I not do that, nobody now going to take it seriously. I have to take drastic measures.
Good morning.
Yes.
Sorry to disturb. Are you a suitcase outside?
Yes.
You can't leave it out there, my friend.
I can't leave it out there?
No, because the work of the cops to take it up.
Okay, well, would I love the cops to come? Yeah, I have them in our maze. We just have them in the maze. So, you can't get me to hate him and you can't get him to hate me. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. You get tricked. You get tricked. Yeah, you don't never know say Sagittarian girl them a mad girl. So you don't know the horoscope sign them. You don't never know say Sagittarius girl them a mad girl. Let me see how much Sagittarius girl depend the life right now. No, I'm not jealous over Sidem. I'm happy same fine Sidem. I'm happy same fine Sidem. Me can go live my life now and find who me for find. I'm happy same him fine Sidem. And if uno feel that, so a man think it so is he. I just uno phone a basic mind that. You see me? So a man think it, so is he. Me, happy feel. I'm happy same fine Sidem. Because at the end of the day, Sidem really and truly love him for who him is and not for money. Everybody else where you surround him and money and clout them want. Every single body else where you surround him are just money and clout. Zine? So Sidem forward, me meet Sidem, me feel Sidem energy. Cause I'm an empath, you know. Me feel Sidem energy, me looking at Sidem eye and see Sidem really check for him. Me happy with that. Now me can just go live my life and find a man for myself now. Like what everybody would have normally say, Lisa can't find a man for yourself. But finally I go find a man for myself. You're not happy? You're not happy so finally I go find a man for myself. Are you for go sleep? I see honey, are you for go sleep or go get ready for work? You're there on live and watch me at this time in the morning. Eyeglass. Eyeglass, you don't have no work for go. You don't have no work for go. Go on to work, man. Anyways, we just come for tell you now, say the Scotia Bank of Jamaica, I need to speak to them because them shut down my account. I can't get to do what I'm supposed to do. I have a business to take care of and I can't get to do it. Right? And I'll not be returning to Jamaica until Saturday. Right? I'll not be returning to Jamaica until Saturday. See them there at the airport. I'm going to leave the airport. I'm going to leave the airport and go to a hotel. So, Teresa and Mineral Boss, whatsoever una plan one thing, you know, when man a plan, God a wipe. And everything wanna see happen for me. Everything wanna see happen for me. God a bless me. God a bless me. A natural blessings. Una for believe in a God, cause him real. I'm real. You know, for believe in him because I'm real. I don't know how be a man I go. God bless me. You understand what I say? And me about to shower back some people with that blessing there. You don't leave me alone. You don't leave me alone. Vanessa can never be my replacement because Vanessa don't even know how to construct a proper sentence. So Vanessa could never be my replacement. Okay? You and Vanessa come suck me. Vanessa could never be my replacement. Vanessa is just a cool reminder of Lisa Hyper. Thank you.